Morning. So let's go to the next part of the mini lesson for lesson number 10, right? If we go to page S.36, let's do questions 1 to 5. This will be part 4 of the lesson 10 series. And the directions are a little confusing, but all it's saying is, if we look over here on page S.36, it may be difficult to see through the video, but if you have your book with you, here it says if L of z is equal to I times z, all they want you to do here is, what is 3 times I? Here, what is 2I times I? What is 1 plus I times I? What is negative 4 plus 3I times I? And what is 2 minus 5I times I? And what you want to do is, you want to plot every single one of these points. I want you to plot this one, whatever this is, whatever this one, plot every single one of these points and look at what is geometrically happening when we multiply by I. Okay? That's what this part is telling you to do. And here, this part over here, when we go to this page over here, for 6 and 7, you could just ignore these two questions. They won't be helpful for us right now. Here, what you want to do is, what is the geometric effect of L of z is equal to 1 plus I times z given the following? All it's asking you to do is, for A, the question you are exploring is, what happens when you take a complex number and multiply it by 1? So when you do, the way you read this is, you're just substituting this 1 into the function here. So it's 1 plus I times 1, right? They're saying, what happens when you take a complex number and multiply it by 1? What happens when you for the next part, what happens when you take a complex number? You see, you're putting this I in for this z. What is 1 plus I times I? Geometrically, what is happening here? If I have 1 plus I times 1 plus I, what happens when you take a complex number and multiply it by itself? What is geometrically happening? And this one is, what happens if I have 4 plus 6I times 1 plus I? What's happening here? Okay? Try and go through this, and what I'll do is I'll show you the solutions in class. Okie dokie?